Hey there, this is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and welcome to my Launch-O-Matic review today. We're going to be talking about this product, which is about how to launch your own products on Warrior Plus. Yeah, and you can do it on other platforms too. But basically, it's taking you to steps of setting up, creating the product, and the marketing afterwards. It's a pretty comprehensive tutorial. And, we're going to be taking a look at it in a few minutes here. Now, to start off with, to get to my bonus page, which is where I am now, if you're on YouTube, beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Launch-O-Matic here. Click on that, and it will bring you to the page where we are now. And also, prior to leaving YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up, click the bell. We're off to a fantastic start. Thank you. So on my bonus page, we're going to give you just a brief introduction to it, and then I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm going to give you by picking up Launch-O-Matic through my link today. All right, so from the creator of this, he asked, are you missing out on proven passive income? Of course, the answer is yes, you are, if you're not launching your own products. And so what we're going to do here, if you pick this up today, I have like 4 or 5 bonuses for you. And at any time when you're ready, go ahead and click on any of the red links on my bonus page here, and it will take you over to the actual sales page where you will click on your Get Now button. But to start off with, let me run through my bonuses real quickly with you here. To start off with, bonus number 1 is called Lazy Traffic Sniper. It's a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. The system solves 2 crucial problems. 1, getting real buyers, and 2, turning those buyers into profits. Bonus number 2, called YT Bucks. It's an exhaustive training on how to create or improve your affiliate marketing business with YouTube as the starting point. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity. Unlock the set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Bonus number 4 is Aerial Assassin. Learn how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commissions. It's a 100% proven method to earn big commissions by giving value and using attraction marketing. And bonus number 5 is the Super Shakedown. This is a real good bonus here, guys. The inside secrets of the super affiliates with a series of master classes, case studies, and additional training that will help you unlock the code and breakthrough to start earning serious money online. Okay, so let's take a look at the product here. So when you pick up Launch-O-Matic, this is what it will look like. We're on the home tab here, and you'll have a welcome video that's a little less than 5 minutes old. These are just some of the products that he has created over the past couple of years, and in the information that I'll be reading, he's already made $500,000 in a couple of years, and by next year, he'll surpass $1 million. So this is just continuing to grow. All right, and so then you get your Start Here tab. Well, you have the big picture, how the money works, launch details, traffic and marketing, behind the scenes. All right, and it goes into the basics, product types, the funnels, the sell pages, the JV page and the JV doc, outsourcing, your autoresponder, Munch-I, Facebook JV groups, affiliate approvals, support, legal pages, step-by-step instructions, case study, and you have, several videos on that, advanced strategies. You have several, videos, on that. Including, coupons and discounts, affiliate commissions, bundles, cross-selling, special events, okay, using PLR products, more videos, digital product, workshop, and that's something that is an upgrade. And then you have your help, the bonuses that he's offering also. Okay, so very comprehensive. You get a lot of information from this, and having a footprint or an outline before you get started, is extremely helpful. I've launched a couple of products, as a and believe me, there is a lot to it. And so you need to be prepared and make sure that you're in step, with the time frame that you have from start to finish. Okay, so let's go back and continue talking about this. So from the creator here, it asks, have you tried any of these with no success? Affiliate marketing, YouTube videos, harassing people on Messenger, clogging up your social media feeds, going crazy just to make a buck. There's good news and bad news. The bad news is that, a lot of these methods just don't really work. The good news is that there is a better way to make money online, a much better way, where the sky's the limits for profits, and at the same time you're building buyers lists, which is one of the best assets that you can own. And how is this? How do you get this? By launching your own products. So in a little over 2 years, he has sold 500,000 products, launched on Warrior Plus, and in Launch-O-Matic, he shows you how to launch your own products. It's a fantastic tutorial for newbies. The excitement of being able to leave your 9 to 5, and have your financial freedom is shown in this. All right, so what is this going to cost? $27. All right, $27. It covers all the facets of launching, from selecting a product to listing it on Warrior Plus and finding affiliates to capturing buyer emails and all of the other details of making it go live. And then there are a few one-time offers. OTO number 1 for $37 is advanced strategies on how to really make a launch take off. It includes cross-selling, coupons and discounts, private promotions, and more. OTO number 2 for $47, special training on how to turn PLR into a product. Product creation is hard, for many. So this step-by-step training makes it easy for people to follow along and make their own unique product. And OTO number 3 for $199. This is a deep, deep discount on his high-ticket digital product workshop, which will be selling for $997 once it launches, which is later this month in October of 2021. So it's certainly something that if you are interested in, to jump on it before the actual introductory price goes away, and you'll be paying a minimum of $997 for it. And of course, it comes with satisfaction 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, at any time, as I mentioned, you click on any of the red banners on my page, and that will take you over to the actual sales page for this, where you will click on the blue banner here, click for instant access, and then you'll be taken to your secure checkout, which will look eventually, after you go through your PayPal, you'll be taken to the Warrior Plus page to access your purchase, which you'll click on it with the green button here. And for the bonuses that I offered you earlier, you click on the blue button to get your bonuses from me. Alrighty. Now, if I didn't mention it before, and I think I did, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up, click the bell. I appreciate you very much. And that takes me to the end of this review. I've looked through it. There's a lot of information, and picked up a couple things that I didn't think about when I had done a couple launches myself. So go ahead and jump on it if it's something of interest to you. All right. Well, again, thank you for taking your time out to watch this review of Launch-O-Matic, and as always, to your success.